Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of X-Twitter. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page of apps you will search about the application of X-Twitter and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another